Mercy said no, I'm not gonna let you go. I'm not gonna let you slip away. You don't have to be afraid. Mercy said no, sin will never take control. Life and death stood face to face. Darkness tried to steal my heart away. Thank you, Jesus. Mercy said no.
Toothpaste will help to keep your mouth for long lasting time, and also this toothpaste is suitable for children between 6 years and above.
Hi everyone, this is Dr. Precious Uche, the director of Talente Natural Skin and Science. I have brought a beautiful news for you, and that is introducing to you Talente Natural Charcoal Whitening Toothpaste. Yeah, so I am so excited, as you can see. I am very happy to introduce this product to you. Generally, you know that charcoal is currently one of the biggest trends in the world of wellness. Yes, of course, and in cosmetics as well, because you can find these trending ingredients in some of the commercial facial masks, scrubs, and so many other products. Some of you even can swear by charcoal that it can whiten your teeth naturally. So today, I want to talk you through a little about activated charcoal, which is one of the major ingredients I use in making this beautiful toothpaste. Activated charcoal is the type that are allowed to use in cosmetics world. You can use it to make your scrub, your mask, and so many other products you can formulate. Activated charcoal is best to use for your toothpaste, and it whitens the teeth naturally. It is a very fine grained powder. Like if you look at it, you will see that it's looking well grained and beautiful, as you can see. So this is made with some coconut shells and some other wood, beautiful wood, natural wood, substances that are well oxidized under an extreme heat. That is it. So before I go ahead, you can see the ingredients I am using in making this natural toothpaste. It is 100% natural. It is a fluoride-free toothpaste. This toothpaste will gonna be the best thing that will happen to you and your family. This toothpaste is specially designed to help remove surface stain. Like some of you have been dealing with this stain around your teeth, and some of you have been having some mild ulcers, like in your gum. So I designed this toothpaste to help whiten your teeth at the same time, heal your gum, and to treat toothache. This will whiten your teeth naturally because charcoal is a very friendly and mild.